before this movie, I used to think films are very easy. After I seen these boys gone through, I said, man, it's much more tough than what we believe.
Thrilled to be at the Red Sea Film Festival. It's our world premiere. It's the first time we're going to be watching it with a large audience. Can't wait. This region as a whole has always supported Indian cinema very, very strongly. So I think everything fell into place and we're really excited to have our world premiere here.